Hello everybody and welcome back. As you all know from my previous video about this, I am Kryptonite21 and I am the designer and developer of the DayZ Types Editor for the community. As you can see in front of me is my version, it's my own personal version of the editor. Okay, I'm going to show you on this the things that I have added to the V2 version, which I'll just quickly show you. V2 version is right here. Okay, there's nothing wrong with it. I just wanted to use my one, so this is the V2 version. Okay, exact same as my version, but mine's just got a different name. It's got K21 edition. What's different about it? Well, okay, there's a few things that's different about this. Okay, we could personalize our glow, whatever we want. Okay. We can also change the brightness as well. So I'll load the sample. Okay, just so you can get like a nice feel for it. Okay, we can do that. We can change the brightness. Let's go back to normal so I get the right color green. Okay, there we go. I'm going to keep it as green. What is also different about this as well is that I've added a remove button for that. What is also different about this as well and has been added in the version 2 is the import XML and text files. Okay, when in the last version you could generate or export a class name file. Okay, now you can actually import text file class name file to this or a list of names of items, and it'll create a types file for you. So if I remove that, we'll go here. Okay, and you can now drag and drop your XMLs and types files. If I go into there, boom, it has created a generic types file for me. Okay, and to edit that, you just do select all, bulk edit, and you do your bulk edit there. Okay. What is also cool about this is that we have also added a DayZ Types folder that you can actually import your folder, and it will have all your types files in there that you can edit, things like that, all that good stuff. Okay, you can edit all of this. Okay, as you can see, I have exported a few stuff in here, so it's doubled up on the items, but I was just doing it as a test. So you need to make sure that when you export your folder after you put it into a fresh folder, or you delete a fresh folder or you put it in. Don't save it into the same folder because it'll just repopulate it. Okay, it won't actually save the files that are already in that folder. If there's certain items that you don't want to edit, such as say, oh, not that one. For instance, I don't want to edit that one because I've already done that. You can remove it from this because then it will no longer be uploaded. Okay, remove. Okay, GMC. Let's try and remove all the GMC stuff. The folder. It's just removing everything. As you can see, there's less stuff in there. All right. What is also cool about this as well is the export. Now this is probably one of the biggest updates, hence why it's got version 2, because it was a big part of the application being upgraded. So it was only seemed right that we called it version 2. Okay, so if I go to export, okay, I can obviously do the exact same, export it if I come up errors. We've also got a TraderPlus Trader by Dr. Jones as well, an expansion market. Now bear in mind, okay, that especially in TraderPlus, it just comes up types, tools, okay? You need to go into the editor, which is exactly the same as the types. It'll come up with warnings that something's out of line. So there, okay, line 16, yep, okay, there's something missing, which is then causing a problem to line 17. It's not going to read it. So I go, okay, take me to it. Oh, right, okay, right, right, Roger, got you. That needs to go in there. It's fixed. Okay, apply changes. You got it. It's the exact same. It's traded by Dr. Jones and expansion. Do the exact same thing. This is the new this is the new ad. You can also go through your folders as well, change it up, and it'll do the exact same for all of them. But remember, it's all your trader files are also going to save in next to the folder in the types files. Okay, so you need to make sure that they all go into one place, and you just need to reshuffle them and reorganize them. It's not that much work. Or you could sit and do this on Notepad++ till your eyes bleed and you've just given up on life and fed up with looking at line upon line upon line of coding, not coding, sorry, of class names. Yeah. This version makes your life so much easier. Okay, you can also copy and paste as well. Okay, expansion market JSON, copy to clipboard, and you can paste that straight into your file. It's that simple. This is designed to make your life so much easier. I added the customization part of it. Okay, just to make it a little bit more personal to the user. This is absolutely free. You do not have to pay for it. There's no subscription. We have had suggestions about adding a drop, potentially, sorry, not a drop down, you mean it, adding different languages. So my plan is probably in the future is to add a drop down menu where you can change it to German, Spanish, Italian, or whatever, Mandarin, whatever it may be. It's just changing it all so you can change it in different countries, or people from different countries can use my platform. We also, if you look down into the description, my last YouTube videos on there on how to work it and change everything else like that. Just look into that and see how you get on. And hopefully that solves solves your issues. Hopefully that's the main thing. So the reason why you can probably see on the screen, the reason why it's coming up the signs is because you need to change them to 1, 1. Okay, and then I changes. That'll change. Okay, it's just nothing should be coming up there, but that's because it's my personal one. It doesn't do that on the V2 version. Okay, just my version. It does that on the lines. Okay, I just thought it was quite cool to have. But there'll be a Discord link in the description. Join that. That is to the KM Tool Discord, where we have we're working on something really big actually for the DayZ community. But my file is in there. When you download it and it says, and your computer says to you that there's a virus, I am telling you right now, there's absolutely no virus in that folder. It is your Windows being overprotective. I've had so many people download this and not had a virus. I've downloaded it many times and not had a virus. My Windows has flagged it up, but there's no danger. So it is 100% absolutely safe to use. And trust me, it's going to save you a lot of time. So in the description, that'll be my Discord. There'll be a link to my previous video. If you like this and what you see, and would like to see more things come up, especially the big project we've got. The big project is within that Discord at the showcase. Going to have a little look. Trust me, you're going to love it. This is definitely free to use. However, just to let you all be aware, there is a donation button. Okay, I never ask for donations. Okay, but they are nice to have because then it allows me to keep my programs going and things like that. I'm on subscriptions on certain tools that I use and things like that to help me program certain things. So donations are always more welcome. If you feel like I've done a really good job, and there's more to come in this in the next version, please donate, or as they say, buy me a cup of coffee. I will get myself a coffee whilst I'm working on the new update. Please do. It's much appreciated. I'll put the link down into the description as well. This has been one of the best things I've done in a long time because it's cut out so much time. And the best thing is when I see other people using it. That is probably the best moment when I see other people using it and they're like, fantastic. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, wow. There's nothing like it. There is nothing like this. There absolutely is nothing like this out here, out there. Sorry. And I've put a lot of time and effort into this. You know, I have a full-time job, you know, and I have a family. And, you know, I have put a lot of time and effort into this and away from them doing this to make sure that it's made free to people. Like I said, if you do feel like you'd like to make a donation, thank you in advance. You're an absolute legend, and I appreciate you so much. And I hope you will look forward to what's coming in the future. Uh, I certainly am, and I will definitely 100% be using it. But like I said, go into the Discord. The file in the Discord is in there, and the editor tools on the bottom. And also, if you look at right at the bottom of the Discord on chat, there is a showcase. 100% go and check that out. You're gonna want to check that out. Thank you very much. If you like my videos or like what you see, sorry, on my videos, not my boring Scottish voice, who can't even talk properly. If you like what I'm doing, you know, please subscribe, leave a like. There is probably a lot more coming in the future of what I develop and what I do tools wise for DayZ. I might move on to something like maybe armor, maybe in the future. Who knows? But also in Discord, I forgot to mention there is a bug reporting bit within the tools. There's a suggestions. Without suggestions, you know, I'll add what I want into this, not what other people want. So it's always important for you to have a say in what goes into the program and what gets updated. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna stop boring you with my monotone voice, and I just want to say thank you to everybody out there who's downloaded this and been using it. I will also put it up on Steam workshops. People can go click on the link, come to the Discord and use it. Like I said, exciting times. Absolutely exciting times. The stuff that we've got going on and what's going to be happening. So please do so. Okay, and I'll let you go. Stop boring you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. And I'll see you all soon. Take care.